make the social media blurred background effect in Premiere Pro. So let's go. What you have to do first is to duplicate your clip. So how to duplicate it is to press Alt or Option in Mac. Yeah, if you're using Mac, you press Option, then you hold Alt in Window, then you drag and you drop it in another layer, just like this. Yeah, once you've duplicated it, what you have to do is to make sure that you scale this clip below. You click on this clip below, then the one below, you scale it, you increase the scale here. So once you've increased the scale here, then the next thing you have to do is to go to the effect and search for Gaussian Blur and drag and drop the Gaussian Blur to the same clip below. Then after you drag and drop the Gaussian Blur, you come here, come to this same effect control, you look for Gaussian Blur here, then you increase the blurriness. You can play with it, and this is how you create it. Subscribe.